Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and today is 22nd of August 2023. And I'm really very happy to share with you, very excited to share with you a brand new offer which is rolled out by Kajabi today. That is, you can avail Kajabi trial for 60 days. Okay, 60 days trial. Okay, absolutely free. For 60 days, you can use Kajabi absolutely free. So, Kajabi is an online platform which I am using to build my multiple online businesses. I'm into network marketing business. I'm into e-learning industry. Okay, I'm also into affiliate marketing. So all these businesses I'm managing only using one tool, that is Kajabi. So using Kajabi tool, okay, I hope that you are already following me on YouTube. But still, let me tell you, using Kajabi tool, you can actually create your own digital products in the form of online courses, coaching, podcast, membership sites you can create. Okay, communities you can create using Kajabi. I have migrated from Facebook group to Kajabi communities. It is awesome. Okay, also you can manage your payments, you can manage your contacts, analytics. Okay, you can grow, you can actually create your own website, unlimited landing pages you can create. Okay, then email marketing. Okay, it has awesome email marketing feature. Then funnels, you can create 15 funnels, but yes, using landing pages, unlimited landing pages, you can create multiple unlimited funnels. And also you get a mobile app. Okay, as a creator also you get a mobile app, and as a student, when you give access to your digital product to your students, they also get access to the mobile app. Okay, so all these are available in Kajabi. This is all in one tool. And the good news is, they have rolled out, Kajabi has rolled out a 60 days trial. Usually you get only 14 days trial, only 14 days. Okay, but today on 22nd of August 2023, only you get it for 60 days. Okay, so to grab this access, okay, you can click on the link you can see on the screen. Okay, dnaclub.in/kajabi. Once you click on this link, this is my affiliate link, you will come to this page. And on this page you can see this entire information. Okay, you can sell product. Even Kajabi has recently rolled out a new feature called AI creator tools. Okay, so using AI creator tools, you can actually write a copy of your landing pages, okay, or sales page. So I mean, it is awesome. Okay, you can try this out also. And yes, you can create your own brand web mobile app. Okay, using Kajabi. It is a paid thing. Okay, later on you can try this out. You get 24/7 live chat support. And also you get access to the creator community. Okay, where you can learn from other Kajabians how they are using this wonderful tool. Okay, also you get access to the live webinars for absolutely free. Kajabi continuously, uh, this company does live webinars. Some experts, they do this so that you can learn Kajabi tool. Okay, also you get access to Kajabi University, where you get access to some courses so that you can use Kajabi efficiently to grow your online business, right? So all these things, you can see some testimonies and also more links in the down here on this page. So to grab access 60 days trial, click on this link. Okay, and it is going to ask your first name, last name, and email ID. Once you fill up this information, and also you can log in using Google. Once you enter your details, then it is going to ask you your bank account details. Okay, sorry, credit card details. Okay, so using your credit card details, once you enter, especially if you are in India. Okay, if you are in India, then you have to put your Mastercard and Visa card details. Only credit card will work. And make sure that it has international payment option enabled. Okay, if there is no international payment option enabled, then you won't be able to take the trial. Okay, so go ahead, grab access. Okay, the link to this is below, in this video description as well, clickable link. And also you can check out the link on this screen. Also, I'm sharing the link. Okay, so go ahead. And as an extra bonus, I'm going to give you an extra bonus. That is, if you take Kajabi trial, 60 days trial using my link, I'm going to give you access to my personal consultation call. Okay, you can book a personal consultation call with me. Once you take the trial, automatically you will receive an email from my side where you can choose a time slot. And here in this through this one-to-one meeting, I can help you to set up Kajabi tool for your business. Okay, so this consultation call is from my side, absolutely free, as a bonus for using my affiliate link. Okay, so thank you. And make sure that you don't miss this opportunity. This is only for 22nd August, only one day. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity, else it will again switch back to 14 days from tomorrow. Okay, so 60 days trial Kajabi, nothing to lose. After 60 days, if you think this is not useful for you, then you can stop this. Okay, so go ahead, go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. That's a link you have to use to get access to 60 days trial of Kajabi tool. Thank you very much.